Yo, what's going on everyone? This is Valoramous. In today's DJ tutorial on the CDJ-3000, we're going to discuss how to use the tag list function to tag tracks, create playlists on the fly, which will enhance the overall effectiveness of your sets and then also optimize your workflow. So I'm going to bring my camera around to the screen of the CDJ-3000. I will show you my method for using the tag list function to tag tracks while you're in the middle of a set, create mini ad hoc playlists, and then use those ad hoc playlists to enhance your set. When you're tagging tracks, it's actually very similar in the old school days when folks used vinyl or CDs. They basically pulled those CDs or vinyls out of the physical crate or maybe pre-positioned them elsewhere. That's essentially what you're doing with the tag list feature, is you're prepping tracks for potential employment later in your set. Okay, welcome to my tutorial on how to employ the tag list feature. So you have this tag list button right here. So if you've tagged tracks, it'll show here. You can go to this tag. You can actually remove this track by holding that down. Now I've removed that track from the tag list. But the power of the tag list feature is when you're playing a track live. So let's for example, say you're playing this track. While you're playing this track, you're gonna have moments in between tracks where you have to make decisions, where you should be planning and preparing. You could be hyping the audience, but you can use this interim time in between tracks to find other tracks and then place in this tag list. What you're essentially doing with the tag list is you are earmarking tracks for future use. It's essentially like in baseball, it's when a batter is in the hole or on deck, they're being pre-positioned for use or employment in the very near future. So if I want to tag tracks for use, I can go, let's tag these tracks. So to tag a track, you're just gonna tag the track and then it has that little check mark. Let's tag this track. Check mark. Well, actually that track is being played right now. So I'm gonna tag these other two tracks. And now when we go to the tag list, you can see the tracks that are here on the tag list. And that is how you can prepare upcoming tracks. It's similar to a chess master thinking about his next 2 or 3 moves on the chessboard. Now, if you want to remove all these tracks, you can move all these one at a time. Let me go back and add these tracks. I'm going to show you how to remove all these tracks. Wait, not that. Okay, so tag, tag, tag. Now let's go to the tag list. Now to remove all these tracks. So you can remove these tracks one at a time by holding down this tag track remove button, and see that just removed one track. Another easier way, if you want to remove all the tracks from the tag list, let's say you've exhausted this playlist, you've played all the tracks, just simply press the menu button, then you can select remove all tracks, hit OK, and then bam, it just clears the tag list. So there you have it. If you have any other comments, questions, tips, or tricks to share with the audience, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.
Never count the cost.